Hello, my name is Alex, and today we're gonna be trading again. Hopefully everything is fine in your side. Hopefully everything is great. And just would like to inform you that I'm having a Telegram private group where you are able to receive a lot of valuable information that is very important for you. That is gonna be very important for you if you are willing to jump into the trading. So today, again, I'm gonna be trading. I'm starting with $168. And hopefully I'll be able to make a couple of thousand. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as joining my Telegram private group, and do not forget to leave a like on this video. So let's start. First one is gonna be right here, styles, making it red. Let's make it 2, saving that. Moving to the second, moving average period is gonna be 5, and EMA, the main line, is gonna be green, but with TPX. Alright, that's fine. Coming to the ADX, smoothing, it's gonna be, I guess, 11. Yeah, left is gonna be 11 as well. Styles, ADX itself is gonna be like cyan, or what the color is it? I don't know. That's gonna be plus, gonna be green. One's gonna be red. I mean, as by the default. So what we're having here, the first thing first, we are trading with Euro and Japanese yen though, and I'm just willing to put it here 68. Let's start with it, and we're going for long, guys. Let me just style the screen, because yeah, we're gonna be going for long, and basically this is way too easy right now, because according to the ADX we should be going for long, and this is the main reason why I went for long. There is no any other thing, as well as the price is above the moving average at the same time, and this is the main reason. I mean, not the main reason. I already named you the main reason. I already told you the main reason, that was the ADX, but I wanted the fact that the price is above the moving average. That's another factor. We should be going for long though. Here we go. Here we go. Now I'm having, I mean, I earned additionally $62. First of all, I'm gonna change the amount to $130, and I'm gonna be selling that. I'm gonna be going for short, guys. First of all, the ADX is giving me the strong short signal, and as well as the price in the downtrend channel. Let me show you. I'm gonna just throw that thing right here, and what I'm hoping for, that as you can see, we are bounced off from the upper boundary of the parallel that I showed you, and this is the main reason why I truly believe that we're gonna be, I mean, winning this bet, and hopefully we're gonna be below that moving average though. I'm just expecting the further decline, and that's it. I mean, this type of situations, they are not really very complicated or difficult to analyze. You just need to find out. You just need to know the key points that you should be paying attention to. This is it. Here we go. We're on the money. Perfect. Let me change it to 250 first of all. I'm gonna be going for long though, because right now we are the price is at the support zone, support level. We are very close to that, and I mean, hopefully we're gonna be just breaking up above the range of 35.09217. Hopefully. I mean, we should be, you know, that's the support level, and I believe that we're gonna be just in the range of the previously named number level to 35.09250. I mean, hopefully we're gonna be in that range though. Here you go. Here you freaking go. $580. Nice one. Look at, like, I mean, we are having the resistance level and the support level according to the zigzag. But let me show you something. The trend line that I would like to draw here You see, we are having the strength, we are having the potential to grow even higher, and you can see that right now the price is below the moving average. And let me change it to 480, and we're gonna be buying from here. I mean, the opening spot could have been better, so that's it. But who cares if I'm having almost 1,000 right there. First of all, $830 right there is gonna be, and for sure we're going for short. Look at the ADX though. The sellers are too strong right now, and it's the strong downtrend we are having here. I don't know. We are just breaking below the line signals. We're just breaking below the support lines, and it signals that the decline will be continuing. So easily predictable. I mean, that's obvious. That's way too obvious that sellers are dominating. I don't know what to tell. Look at the ADX. Look at the red line that represents the sellers on the ADX oscillator. Pretty obvious, isn't it? Hopefully I'm gonna be having a profit by $763, and my total income is gonna be $1,593 in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Bounce back. Having $1,000 and almost $700. Nice. Almost having the same situation right here. Let me put a 1,400. There you go. And I'm gonna be playing for short though. Predictable as well. Because look at the chart itself. We are having the resistance level, and which is at 1.07595, and from that point, and the resistance level was proven by the zigzag and by a couple of candles with the help of the shadows of the candles. Does not really matter. We have bounced off from it and started our decline, started our fall from that point. And according to the ADX, this situation is very similar. It was very similar with the previous one. So, according to the ADX, we are having the strong sellers' domination and strong sellers' power, strength, and this is the main reason why I truly believe that we should be going for sure. The opening spot was not really great enough, but hopefully we're gonna be winning this. And 10 seconds left, guys. I would love to remind you that I'm having the Telegram private group where you are able to learn and get this valuable information and a lot more, and earn more than $3,000 that I earned in this video. I mean, just what you're gonna be doing, just enter my private Telegram group and just start learning and start receiving that valuable information, because this is way more important for you to understand how to trade and how to earn, because this is the freedom that you're gonna be having. This is the joy you're gonna be having, the easy way, one of the easiest ways to earn the money. However, if you, of course, you should be having that information, you should be trained and everything, and I'm helping you with that. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao.